Car seat safety.
Stages of car seat safety. Rear-facing seats are the first stage and are used starting at birth until children reach a minimum age of 2 or until they reach the highest height or weight limit of the seat. Rear-facing only seats are used with newborns and very young children and are frequently referred to as infant carriers. They can only be installed facing the back of the vehicle. They usually come with a base that gets installed in the car and stays in the car. The seat itself clips to the base and can be taken in and out. Many families purchase these seats for their new baby because they are very convenient. You can take the seat in and out of the car without waking the baby up, and they can often be used as part of a travel system, allowing the car seat to connect to a stroller. Every seat is different, so always be sure to read the manufacturer's directions. A convertible car seat can be used both rear-facing and forward-facing. The seat gets installed in the car and remains in the car. The child is taken in and out of the seat with each trip. Rear-facing weight limits of convertible seats are generally 5 to 40 pounds, with some variation in manufacturers. Forward-facing weight limits are as high as 65 pounds. Some then convert further to a booster with weight limits as high as 110 pounds in some models. With this wide range, families may opt to buy one all-in-one seat without starting with a rear-facing only infant seat to be more economical. Rear-facing seats should never be used in front of an active airbag. Rear-facing is safer for infants and young toddlers as their heads are bigger in proportion to the rest of their body and their neck muscles are not fully developed. When facing the back of the car, the baby's head, neck, and spine are protected by the car seat as it cradles them in the event of a crash. In a forward-facing crash, all the force of the impact would be felt in the baby's head and neck. Their fragile and immature spinal cord cannot withstand that type of impact, and the intense crash forces could cause permanent damage. Forward-facing seats are used with children beginning around age 2. These seats, as with all car seats, should be used as long as the weight and height limits allow, according to the seat manufacturer's guidelines. This could be a convertible seat or a forward-facing only seat. The third stage, or car seat type, is a booster seat. This boosts the child up to help the seatbelt fit correctly. It is for use with children starting between ages 4 to 6 and is used until the seatbelt fits the child correctly without a booster. The average child who is eligible for a booster seat is 5 years old and at least 40 pounds. There are two types of booster seats, high back boosters and low back or backless boosters. High back boosters have a back and backless boosters do not. Safety-wise, there is no difference. Backless boosters must be used in vehicle seating positions with head restraints to give best protection to the child's head. Booster seats must always be used with lap and shoulder belts. The fourth and last stage is the seatbelt by itself, which needs to be worn by all passengers on every trip. Typically, children are ready for this stage around the ages of 8 to 12 when they are at least 4 feet 9 inches tall. Your child must be able to sit in the vehicle seat without slouching and keep their back against the back of the seat. Their knees should naturally bend over the end of the vehicle seat and their feet sit flat on the floor. The lap belt should fit low on the hips, and the shoulder belt should lie snug against the shoulder and not the neck or face. Never allow your child to put the shoulder belt behind their back or under their arm. Children are always safer riding in the back seat and should not sit in the front seat until they are a teenager.
Thank you for watching this video on keeping babies safe.